Hey there, my friend Will here with the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So another trading day, 5th of September 2018. And if you watched the video I posted yesterday regarding some of the trade setups that I was currently looking for, a couple of them have just come in. One's been entered here on the USD CAD. So as you can see, the EA's entered the trade. We talked about this trade where I was looking to take it high up in this area. We've got the divergence signal, and now we've entered the trade. See, the robot has actually entered the trade here. EA's give the wee red mark. Okay, so just going to hold this trade and let it play out on the USD CAD. The other trade that was entered last night was on the Kiwi. So you can see it's just been bouncing about here. Getting a lot of rejections at this level here. See, candles telling me there's buying pressure, which tells me I'm in a good trade. See the price popping down and then pushing back up, popping down and pushing back up, and popping down and pushing back up. Sorry, I was making a video there and someone called at my door. Okay, so trade was the Kiwi Japanese yen. You can see we're still in it. The robot's entered the trade. My target's up here, so I'm just going to let that play out. Now I did just give a signal there. The Aussie. You can see this Aussie trade is. It doesn't have a. This is the trade I'm looking at now in the Aussie because it's been popping down nicely, down into another weekly zone. So it's not a trade I'm going to put up live for you here. And I'm going to go to Expert Advisors. I'm going to go to Properties again. I'm going to go to Common. And I'm only looking to go long on the Aussie. Okay. I'm just going to go to the inputs again, 2.5. Okay, stop loss. Double check that, stop loss. Stop loss. This VPS server's messing up at the minute. Sorry, guys. So it is. Okay, so. Okay, there we go. What was the rectangle I had drawn? Okay, just get this big one out of the way here. In here. So, okay, so go to Expert Advisors. Pop down. It's finally taken out this weekly. Right, this was a weekly area. Okay, so there we go. Get the wee box. Okay, I'm just going to keep this level in play here for the minute. So my stop loss is going to be. See, we've got a nice 60 pip stop loss there and a possible target on a daily. Goes up to 250. So go to properties. I'm going to go to comment, take profit. Stop loss will be about 60 pips. Happy to get stopped out on. Take profit is going to be 250, say. Close it opposite. Will be. Now, if you've seen the new version I posted last night, you can load one chart and it trades from all charts. So it'll trade all assets from one chart. Okay, so time frames again. False. Daily true. 4 hour true. And since we're deep in this weekly area, I'm going to do the 1 hour also. Okay, I'm going to go to common and I'm going to hit allow live trading. Just make sure that's is only long. Okay, all the settings. Yep, and I'm going to hit OK. We've got the smiling face. Okay, so you can see 2 trades that are in play at the minute for me. One's starting to go well, the Kiwi Japanese yen, and this is all on autopilot. I just have to do the analysis. You can see we've already got a nice drop down of 20 pips, near 20 pips on this USD CAD trade. Okay guys, so to actually access the MacBot system with the new updates, just simply click the link below. If you have any questions, get in contact with me at will@fxace.com. You can see it in play, it's working. Live trade examples. And yeah, it's all on 95% of your trading automated. Well worth it. Click the link below and I'll speak to you soon.